One more time.
Like the first time.
Everything has on tempo.
Welcome to paradise! 1 year anniversary, celebrating our Oktoberfest wedding on Lake Chiemsee. So look at what we found here. It's our wedding cake from a year ago. During our wedding time, there was a guest, I think one of the bridesmaids, saying that we should keep the wedding cake for 1 year and a year later eat it together. So today we're going to challenge ourselves and really cut the cake. This is the top of the top layer of the cake, and still have a little bit of the golden paint from last year. Looking still good, but we'll give it a try. And now, danke. Now we're cutting the cake. Ah!
Kleine.
Danke. Okay, so let's now give it a try. This is the blueberry and apple cake. I think this portion is way bigger than what we had for our wedding day. As fresh as just came out of the fridge or just made yesterday. Now we're at the restaurant, going back to experience the wedding night all over again. Danke. Very full, so delicious. So 20 or 30 dishes later, we still have the whole table of food, and everyone is super full. Big celebration. Dessert time.
Aber lecker sieht's aus.
Ja.
Das ist nicht so. Oh.
Super full. We've been eating for the past few hours and there's still more dishes coming. Hopefully this one is the last. Here comes the cheese platter. We had a lot of fun and I would say first year anniversary, huge success. It's Sunday, so now we're going to drive over to the church where we got married a year ago and relive that lovely afternoon. Car is coming. Little cute town in Bavaria on Chiemsee.
Turn left
We're
onto
almost
Alton
there.
Strasse, then turn right. Station is on the right.
And that is all for today. I hope you liked this week's content and had a little fun traveling and enjoying all the celebration with me. If you like today's content, make sure that you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification and leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.